Hey Chris, what are you doing today?
I'm just going to be replacing this trunk gasket, replacing this old one, and
That's pretty nasty.
yeah, with this brand new one.
All right, let's see it.
They're pretty simple. This one, as you can see, is really worn out and probably wouldn't make that great of a seal, and there's a bunch of dust and what have you underneath them, but pretty straightforward. You just pull the old seal out and put a fresh one in. And there's a bunch of dust in the track, so you're going to want to make sure to clean this all out. And use a vacuum and then come back with a damp rag just to get it nice and clean for the new seal. So we're just replacing the trunk seal on the 64, but the same trunk gasket is used between 1957 and 1976, and they're available at CaddyDaddy.com. So it's easy to butt up the two ends and work your way towards the center, because these are a trim to fit, and then once you have the center, you can start pushing it in from the center and work your way back towards the middle. And these seals, since they fit such a wide variety of cars from years, they always run a little bit long. So you just want to start in the center and the back, work your way around to the lock mechanism, and cut it down to size with the razor blade or your tool of choice.